Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the units of energy. Let us see what are the units that we talk in energy. So first of all, we should know about what is the oxidation of carbohydrate and protein. So that when a carbohydrate and a fat oxidize to give carbon dioxide plus water plus heat, at the time we get energy. So this energy should be measured with the help of some units. So some units means we are going to name it as calorie. So first of all, we should know what is a calorie. A calorie is the amount of heat needed to rise the temperature of a liter of water 1 degree Celsius. It means we have to rise the temperature of water like 1 degree. uh, with the rise of the temperature, we can calculate how much amount of heat is liberated, so that with that we can calculate the calorie. So it is just a scientific way to measure the energy. So what is kilocalorie means? It is of course in 1 kg means we convert like in water. So the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of water from 1 degree, we say it is kilocalorie. So kilocalorie is 1,000 calories, also called as megajoules. So physical heat value. So you can find the physical heat value by the amount of heat energy liberated when 1 gram of substrate is completely oxidized outside the body. So that is the thing that can be calculated outside the body, how a caloric value of a food can be calculated. So for example, when you take a carbohydrate, some grams of carbohydrate, we should know about how many calories it's present in a carbohydrate. So per gram of carbohydrate contains 4.1 calories. Same ways, 1 gram of fat contains 9.3 calories. Of course, protein contains 5.6 calories. This should be evaluated. So for that, we should know how it can be evaluated by some certain methods. So in that, with the help of the methods, we can calculate. So with the 1 gram of food substance, we should be oxidized inside the body also to give the same amount we calculate as such. Physical heat value can be same as the physiological heat value. So these are some of the calorical value of some food materials. There is of course some with the help of some test we have uh, formulated this chart. So first thing, let us uh, find how we can determine the energy value using a bomb calorimeter. So first one is bomb colorimeter. So bomb colorimeter is a method. It is a instrument which is used to determine the energy value of the food. With the help of the chemical reaction, it can be initiated using a spark, can be carried out in a device called as a bomb. It consists of a heavy steel bomb with a platinum or a gold-plated copper lining and covered within the tightly in the place by means of a strong screw. Let us see the diagram so that you can it will be easy for you to know about the bomb colorimeter. So it, as I said, it contains some. So it contains a bomb. It's 1 minute. So this is of course a bomb colorimeter. So this bomb colorimeter contain a bomb which is kept inside an water. So within this bomb, a weighed amount of sample usually pressed into a pellet form is placed in a capsule inside the bomb, which is then closed except for oxygen wall. You can see an oxygen wall here, and with the oxygen to a pressure about 300 pounds to a square inches, it's present inside this area. The bomb is sealed and immersed in a well insulated weighed amount of water. The water is stirred with the help of the stirrer, and the as the stirrer mixes, the uniform temperature will be maintained in the water. The water temperature is for per minute of interval in the differential thermometer. The temperature is measured. The sample is now ignited with the help of this ignition wire. Once the sample is ignited by means of electric fuse, an amount of large amount of oxygen present, it undergoes rapid and complete combustion, so that everything will be burned. The heat liberated is absorbed by the water, so that some temperature can be changes can be observed. The water the heat liberated is absorbed by the water in which the bomb is immersed, and the result rise in the temperature is accurately can be determined. The heat warms the bomb, thus the water surrounds it. The stuff observed, the heating is not only the water but also anything immersed inside it. It includes a thermometer and the stirrer, which ensures that any heat is uniformly distributed before the final temperature is raised. Before the bomb calorimeter is used, its specific heat capacity must be determined. So it is as I said, this is the sample containing space, and this is a bomb that is inserted to this water vessel, and this vessel has a thermometer, a stirrer, and an electric fuse. So this is the working of the calorimeter. With this we can find how many calories a food substance has, so that with the this is the physical purpose. With this purpose we can alternately evaluate the physiological weight of the physiological calorie inside the body. Thank you.